guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video is actually inspired by the ladies on Skinny Girl in Transit, and they are known for, at least to me, for always having like a brown smoky eye look and a glossy lips. A nude glossy lips actually. So if you'd like to see how I went about to achieve this makeup look, then please do all to keep on watching this video. If you're yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly support me by clicking on that subscribe button just right below, and also clicking on the post notification button just right beside the subscribe button, just so that you're notified when I upload a new video on this channel. So guys, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Yeah. For primer, I'm using Philips Makeup Magnesia. For my foundation, I'm using Revlon Color Stay Foundation, just buffing the foundation around my skin. Next up, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight the part of my face which I would like to highlight, which is under my eye area. And then I'll switch over to a concealer that is not as bright as this one right here for the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's-bow, and my chin and forehead area, and just basically blend it into my skin using that foundation brush. Then next, I'm setting the highlighted parts of my face with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. Then to set the other parts of my face, I'm using this powder right here, which is the LA Pride Powder Palette. That medium shade there, just around the parts of my face which I didn't highlight. So I'm just setting all of my face with that powder. Then next, I'm contouring my face with the darkest powder in that palette. And I'm also trying to sculpt my nose with the medium shade of the powder in the same palette. So now I'm going into the eyeshadow look. I'm using that brown eyeshadow from the ENL Beauty, the Divine Mini Eyeshadow Palette, using the 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush also from ENL Beauty. I'm just pressing that eyeshadow into my eyelids. And this is one of the easiest eyeshadow looks you could actually like pull off. All you just need to do is go with little product, because these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so you want to use very little and just dab and kind of like soften off the edges by blending, and just keep on blending it around the eye area. Like, you don't want to go far above like towards like the brows area. I'm just keeping it look, because it's a one eyeshadow look. So while I add more of the colors to like on my lids, when it comes to my crease area, I just kind of blend it out to soften it. I don't add eyeshadows when I'm blending on my crease. So now to my eyeliner, I'm using the ENL Beauty Precision Eyeliner. To start with the eyeliner, I like to always shake it so that the fluid comes running really well. Then I start to apply the eyeliner from like the ends of my eyelids. Then I start to extend it to like the middle part and towards the inner corners of my eyelids. With eyeliner, patience is really key. So you want to be gentle and ensure you get to apply it the way you'd like it to come out. But for me, I love the cat eyeliner look, so I take my time and I get it right. Then I also like extend the liner to like my tear dot area. Then for my waterline, I'm using a MacBook Extremely Soft Eyeliner pen to make my eyes pop. I love that black eyeliner look for my waterline, so I always use MacBook. For my mascara, I'm using ENL Beauty Volumizing Mascara. All of these ENL Beauty products are available on the ENL Beauty website. I'm going to link it in the description box, so you can actually head over there to purchase all of the ENL Beauty products, which I've actually mentioned in this video. So after popping on my lashes, I'm just going back to further reapply the eyeliner, just in case in the process of putting on the lashes it's cleaned off a bit. So I'm just smudging that same shadow which I used on my eyelids on my bottom lash line, just directly under my bottom lash line. Then next, I'm going to go back in to just redefine the shape of my nose, because I want to try and extend it to that eyeshadow look, so that it doesn't look like, okay, the eyeshadow is there and the nose contour is there. I just want everything to blend in really well. Next, I'm highlighting using highlighter from that same powder palette. I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's-bow, and I went back to the dark powder which I use in contouring my nose to kind of like define the center of my what do I call it, the lip area. Yeah, the center of the upper lip area. Then now I'm lining my lips. I'm using ENL Beauty Coffee Lip Liner. After lining my lips, the coffee lip liner, I'm going to be using ENL Beauty Moyo Velvet Lipstick. It's a pinkish nude lipstick. After I'm done blending that nude lipstick all over my lips. I'm gonna be reaching for ENL Beauty gloss in the shade named Kylie. This is Kylie right here, and this gloss is just like, it's just so beautiful. I don't know why I've never actually like tried out this combo, but man, like, it's just had a way of making me look so pretty. Like if you've never actually tried a nude lips, I would encourage you to do so. Just went back to that palette, and I'm popping some highlighter to like my cheekbone areas. Watching this tutorial. If you found it, like, you know, helpful in any way, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up, and please support me by sharing this video with your friends, and also subscribing to this channel so you could actually like get more amazing content, and also, like, you know, just for supporting music. So guys, thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. I love you.